Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Insta360 1-inch 360 edition compared to the Insta360 X3 and why I'm choosing the 1-inch. Let's go. Alright guys, you know that I absolutely love the 360 X3. It is hands down an amazing action camera. Lightweight, portable, you can do so many different things with it. It is just amazing and I love it for its ruggedness. But as a content creator, I have to say that I am changing to the Insta360 1-inch 360 edition. Why though? There's a number of reasons why. The 1-inch edition does everything except for a couple of things. Me mode doesn't have me mode, and it doesn't have the single lens mode as well. When I'm traveling, I don't know what to expect. So I'm making sure I'm taking the 1-inch edition with me everywhere I go, because as you can see in the low light conditions, this camera hands down beats any action camera that is on the market today. These huge 1-inch sensors let so much light in that it is unbelievable. Just look at the caves here in New Zealand. I've already done a video on this. I'll put that video right here, but it blew the socks away and it was just in auto. Yes, auto. I didn't stuff around with the settings. I just left it all in auto and it was absolutely amazing. I would not have been able to get that footage like that with the X3. There just wasn't a possibility for it. Literally just turn it on, put it in auto and went for it, and it was absolutely unbelievable. Yes, the 1-inch edition is not as waterproof as the X3 is, but if I know I'm going into water and it's a really bright and sunny day, well then I'm going to be using the X3. But for my everyday shooting that I need a 360 camera for, that I know that I want the best quality that I can get, I'm going to be using the Insta360 1-inch edition. While I was in New Zealand, I went to the Hamilton Gardens and I had a choice to use the X3 or the 1-inch edition. I'm going to be using the 1-inch edition because I know in those gardens that the light is going to change so dramatically into shade and dark areas and into full sunlight. So I needed something that was going to be able to cope and deal with those changes. And the 1-inch edition did a marvelous job. Just have a look at this footage from the Hamilton Gardens in New Zealand. While I was walking around the Hamilton Gardens, I just treated it like the X3. I didn't do anything different. I left everything in auto because auto does an amazing job. As you can see, I was passing through shaded areas, full sunlight areas, and the 1-inch edition just held form the whole way through. And you can use that footage in ShotLab just like you can with all the other Insta360 products. And yes, I didn't have a couple of features like me mode and single lens mode, but I wasn't using it for that reason. I was purely using it for the 360 footage and letting the most light in. That footage was absolutely a cracker and I really loved using the 1-inch edition in there. So if you're a content creator and you want to get great quality audio, then the 1-inch edition has some marvelous accessories that go with it as well. You have this mic adapter. You got this bracket here, which you just screws in with a 1/4 inch directly into the base, and it simply just clicks in like that. Get your Rode microphone, connect it up and plug it in, and there you go. You have a vlogging kit ready to rock and roll. It hides it inside the stitch line so it's invisible as well. And then when you don't want it, it is simply unplug, then you're back to your normal Insta360 1-inch 360 edition. Yes, you can also attach a mic to the X3, which is great, and you get some great quality audio out of that as well. But with the 1-inch edition, you can dial in a bit more with your audio levels. And if you would like to know more about how to connect your Rode microphone to your Insta360 1-inch edition, leave a comment down below and I'll definitely make a video on that. So yes, I love my Insta360 X3. It is the action camera for me, but I'm telling you, the 1-inch is the one that I'm carrying the most, and I will bring out first in my everyday shooting and vlogging, because it's the camera that I know that I'm gonna get the most quality out of. We have 6K in here, 5.7. I know it's only 0.3, but it's 0.3 that you're gonna get that you don't have on your X3. Well guys, that's it for this video. If you wanna pick yourself up an Insta360 1-inch edition or an Insta360 X3, I will leave links below for you to pick one up. Please use those links. It helps support this channel and helps me grow. I'm over 2,000 subscribers now. Thank you very much for everyone that has subscribed. It was a dream to be able to get to 2,000 so quickly. I really started my YouTube channel in January, where I took it serious, and I started off with 86 subscribers and now I'm over 2,000. I'm so happy, guys. Thank you very much for all your support. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. It tells me that I'm doing the right thing. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos, because I have some great ones. If you would like to collab with me, please, I'll leave my contact details below. Reach out, I'm more than happy to talk. And until next time, guys, this is Colin from OColin out.